Let's take a look at this question. Which of the following costs incurred to organize a corporation are considered amortizable organizational expenditure? Here, what do you need to know? You need to know what are your organizational expenditure. Well, your organizational expenditure are legal and professional fees to incorporate your business. To incorporate your business. You have to be very careful. Professional fees, that sounds like right. To issue a corporate stock. No, to issue corporate stock, that's not an organizational expense. Printing cost to issue corporate stock, that's also related to A, basically the same. If A is wrong, B is wrong. And when you're looking at this, you should be thinking basically issuing stocks and printing stocks are the same. So they cannot A and B, because if it's A, it must be B. If it's B, it must be A. So that's why you could take out A and B. Legal fees for drafting the corporate charter. Yes, when you are drafting the corporate charter to incorporate, that's a legal fee. C is a good answer. Commission paid by the corporation to an underwriter? No, that's not the case. The legal and professional fees to incorporate, not to issue stocks, not for the underwriter, to incorporate.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.